Today we're going to be working on a garage door opener. If your garage door opener, Chamberlain style, doesn't open, you hear the motor run but it doesn't move the chain, this is what you're going to do. Disconnect the power. LiftMaster Chamberlain, if you open it up and you find this, that's caused by that gear. Using a 5/16 ratchet, you're going to take off that screw, and then there's another one back in there, right there, okay? These screws start in there. First, you want to loosen your chain. I've already loosened this one. This is the trolley right here. You're gonna first loosen this just a little bit and then loosen that side. Once the chain's loosened, you're gonna remove it from the bottom gear. You're gonna wanna loosen the two. This is a 1/4 inch. And you're gonna move this piece off and just kind of set it to the side right there. It should look like that. You're gonna pop this clip off right here. You got a thumb on this side and a thumb on this side, and pull it back and you'll see it kind of comes out like that. Okay, got that clip out. Okay, there it is. Now you pop this piece off. Okay. Now this will be free. Pull up on the gear and the whole thing will come out. There you go. Next you got to remove these two pins. I just used a Torx screwdriver and old Torx I had laying around and the hammer. The gear slides off. Slide the new one on. It doesn't matter which way. So I got my pins in. This one's a little sloppy. It's not as tight as the original, but it should work. You slip it back in, feed it into that. And you got to make sure that your holes line up. There's an extra hole here for this piece to go back in. You got to put your worm gear back on. Make sure you align it with the hole. Okay, so you align. Now slide your clip back through that hole. And put your screws back in. Make sure you don't pinch those wires. And put your guide back on here. Make sure you line up the holes and tighten her down. You need to grease that gear. Grease the worm gear on the other side. Plug your power back in. Now you can manually activate it by shorting these two contacts. Okay, what's important here is the direction of the rotation. When mine failed, my trolley was at the middle of the track. I don't remember if it was going up or down. We're gonna have to reset our travel and everything, but this will help in resetting your travel. I have not hooked my chain back up. All right. Going down. So now I want to set my trolley to the furthest down position. Okay, now my door is in fully closed position. I'm going to pull my trolley back so that it connects. Now I know that's my lowest position. Okay, my trolley is reattached. Okay, now I got my chain attached. Now you can see there's slack. I'm going to take up the slack on the trolley. Okay, so I'm going to tighten this bolt now to take up the slack. Trolley's connected. Chain is tightened. Good. Good, everything's good. Okay, here we go. Okay, my travel up is a little high, but I think we're good. I can adjust it right there, so it looks good. Put the cover back on and we're good to go.